Experience the luxury and functionality of the new brushed brass square thermostatic bar valve and kit, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this shower set showcases a stunning brushed brass finish that adds polish to any washroom decor. Equipped with thermostatic control, this beautiful brushed brass shower ensures a safe and consistent water temperature for your ultimate comfort. The shower valve temperature is even factory preset to a safe 38 degrees, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. With its modern square design, it effortlessly complements contemporary bathroom styles. Switch effortlessly between overhead or handset flow, allowing you to customize your shower experience according to your preference. The 200mm square head provides a generous rainfall effect for an indulgent and invigorating bathing experience. Upgrade your showering experience today with the Nuie brushed brass square thermostatic bar valve and kit. Immerse yourself in luxury while enjoying unparalleled style and functionality. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie showering range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.